Hi, my name is Matthew Primus, and this is Democratic Unity Club today. Today we have Article 6 Ways to Arm Your Immune System to Fight Coronavirus. Do these things today to boost immunity and reduce the harm of illness. Posted on March 3rd, 2020 on Psychological Today by Dr. Davis. As the coronavirus spread, we are hearing about how to reduce exposure and take care of ourselves if we get sick. These are important tips, but we're not hearing much about how we can boost our immunity. So if we can get exposure to the virus, or worse, we get sick, our body can effectively fight back. Our immune systems are designed to fight off sicknesses and viruses, but unfortunately the immune system can get worn down by many things typical of a modern life. For example, stress, toxin, lack of exercise, and unhealthy eating. This prevents our body from effectively fighting off sickness. With coronavirus continuing to spread, it's more important than ever to support the immune system. We can do this by making a few key tweaks to our thoughts, actions, and habits. Here are 6 essential ways to boost your immunity in preparation for coronavirus. First, reduce stress. When you're stressed out, your body produces stress hormone, which attacks the immune system. So one of the most important ways to boost immunity is to reduce stress. To reduce stress is key to ensure you have decent work-life balance. Take breaks when you need them, both short water cooler breaks and longer vacation, and to employ some common or relaxing stress reduction techniques like practicing mindfulness. And if you're already feeling really burnt out, taking adrenal support supplements like ashwagandha can sometimes be helpful. Sleep whenever you're tired. Many of us walk around this world in a state of constant exhaustion, but every time we stay awake when our bodies want us to sleep, we increase stress and hurt our immunity. If we're drinking caffeinated drinks all the time, coffee, black tea, soda, we may not even realize that just how tired we really are, because sleeping is essential to rebuilding a struggling immune system. We need to let ourselves sleep as much as we can. Consume immunity-boosting vitamins. To support your immune system, you can eat immunity-supporting foods like citrus fruits, garlic, broccoli, and spinach. If your immune system is already weak, it can also be helpful to supplement with key vitamins and minerals that may have become depleted, like vitamin C, vitamin B, vitamin D, and zinc. Reduce inflammation. Sugar, processed meat, vegetable oils, and alcohol tend to be inflammatory foods, so they boost the immune system, leaving other problems in your body unaddressed. That's why it can be really helpful to remove these inflammatory foods if we want a healthy immune system. Exercise, but not too much. Exercise can be one of the best things to do to boost immunity, but we have to be careful because too much exercise is stressful on the body. It can be tough on our immune system. So just keep the other tips in mind. Keep low stress. If you're tired, then rest. Step number 6, stay away from toxins. Toxins can be devastating for the immune system. For example, mycotoxin from mold are notorious for destroying the immune system. Many other toxins seem to have negative effects on the immunity as well. So try to minimize exposure to chlorinated drinking water, pesticides, aromatic arbocarbon, air fresheners, heavy metals, air pollution, and food additives. By taking these actions, we can help prevent ourselves and our loved ones from suffering simply from the coronavirus. About the author, this was authored from T. Child Davis, Doctor. Is a consultant, writer, and expert on well-being technology. And online, the Berkeley Wellbeing Institute on Facebook and linking. Thank you.